Here we are actually running MCP server with stdio transport, by which input and output happen directly in the terminal or command line. In MCP, tool is very essential. It is to add or modify something. It actually performs actions. Indeed, I have made a spelling mistake. This is not going to be service. Instead, it is going to be server, since we have imported from server from here. Now we can test this tool by using inspector, which is given by Python SDK. So let's use it. To use that, we need to run run mcp dev server underscore stdio. Okay, let's proceed with y. MCP inspector is up and running at this is the URL. So let me just copy this. It should automatically open with your default browser. Let me just copy and paste this URL, and here it is. Let me just connect. Yeah, it is connecting. Go to tools, list tools. We have on tools, which is create calendar event. Let me create an event. The name of the event will be a random event. Date will be, and this is going to be the date. Let me just copy it from somewhere else, and the time, let's set it current time, a start time, and this is going to be end time. Let's make it 1-2, and description, this for a random event. Okay, now run the tool. Yeah, it is showing success in tool result. Now let's check Google Calendar once again. Somehow it is not working. Let me just skip it. I'll show you. Let me just run it with my cursor. So therefore, to test it with cursor, I need to create a file inside a folder. The folder name will be cursor, and the file name will be mcp.json. Okay, search for cursor MCP server setup, and from here this is the link. I'll add the link. The link is cursor.com/docs/context/mcp. MCP enables cursor to connect to external tools and data sources. So we are going to use it. This is the setup for Python. This is for Node.js and this is for Python. Let me just copy this and paste it here. I'm going to change the name of the server, which is, you can name anything you want, but for now I'm just keeping it MCP server. Then the command will be here. You can see new MCP server detected, MCP server. You can just make it enable from here. The command will be different actually. Let me just show you the command. In my case, I'm using Linux. The command will be pwd. This is my working directory. In your case, which is Windows or Mac OS, for Mac OS this is same, but for Windows it is going to be different. You can just go to ChatGPT and write how to find current working directory in Windows. Since I'm not going to use Windows, so I'm using Linux. And this is my current working directory. From here I'll go to .venv, which is the folder we have created when we created the virtual environment, and in here we have another folder bin, and from here we are going to run Python. Once again, let's enable it. Every time I save, it is asking to enable. And here inside arguments we are going to pass server stdio, which is the name of the file, this one, and dot py, and we need to set an environment variable here, which is going to be python unbuffered. Is the value will be 1. Let me just set it once again, enable it, Control Shift I, create a new random event on January 5, and you press the command. It is detected the tool which is create calendar event. The tool we have created, create calendar event, and it is asking me to run it. Let me just run it, and it is created successfully. Random coffee chat January 5 time this. Actually it is creating event on 2025. Let me just check it. It should be 2026 January, and this is January 1. Yeah, random coffee chat which is created successfully, but I want in 2026 in January 5. So let's try again, and this time create another one in January 6 to 2026. Let's try it. Yeah, let me just run it. Yeah, it is created. Let me just try it again. Reload the page. Yeah, it is created successfully. I'm going to create with inspector again. Go to tools, list tools, create new event, summary. Let's make it just S 20260107. Date will be 07, and start time will be 1000, end time will be 1100. Description, let's keep it just D, and run the tool. It's showing success result, but this time we got this JSON response, and this is the ID for the calendar. Let me just, I guess this time it worked. Let me just copy this Google Calendar. Yeah, it is working. The event has been created successfully from the inspector.